What is this? Not again. This thing never stops breaking. Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you saw in that little intro there, I've got problems with the car again. So the check engine light was for code 2C31 emissions control. I think it was 2C31. If that's not right, it'll be on the screen. You'll see what it is. Anyway, I looked it up. It looks like it's some kind of an exhaust leak, or I have a bad rear O2 sensor. Not 100% sure, so I'm gonna get under the car soon and see if I can tighten the rear O2 sensors up a little bit. Maybe the connection point between the downpipes and the rest of the stock exhaust. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it seemed like from looking at these things online. So if you've had this problem with your car, drop a comment below. Let me know what you did, what was wrong, how it got fixed, all of that good stuff. Let's talk about what else has been going on with this car. So I had the brake light on, and it was on for no reason at all, except the sensor was bad, or at least I thought that was what it was, because when I changed my front brake pads, I did not bother with replacing the sensors because it was like an extra $25 or something, I don't know. And I was just like, well, you know what, it's not on right now. I don't feel like worrying about it. Maybe I can get by without doing it. Wrong. Anyway, after, 10,000 miles or so, it somehow it ripped off, actually. So the wire was just split, like there was just a wire that went to nothing down there for the sensor with no like end piece on it. So anyway, I changed that out. That was pretty easy, like I said, 25 bucks at AutoZone, good to go, all that stuff. So it was an easy fix. Then let's see what next. So when I was doing that, I noticed that my oil pan was leaking pretty bad. Now, I had been smelling burning oil. It smelled horrible, and that was, that was a dead giveaway. Something was wrong there, smelling that. And then when I took it to, I took it to the shop after I found out what was wrong, and they confirmed that my oil pan was leaking, but in addition to that, told me the oil filter housing gasket was leaking. But the same shop had replaced it about a year ago, so they acknowledged the warranty and agreed to fix the part at no charge to me. So that was pretty good on their part. That was a Euro Empire matte in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So if you're in the Charlotte area, the Charlotte metro area, that's a very good shop to take your car to. Had good experiences taking my car to them, and Matt's a really nice guy, which I know that doesn't mean he's a good mechanic, but he is. He's a BMW Master Tech, used to work for BMW, so I'm plugging him right here. Anyway, yeah, so then there was that, so they fixed that up. So that was very expensive. I mean, it's like $1,000 for an oil pan gasket job, and like I said, shout out to him for just doing it, getting it done. And yeah, so I've been really wanting to make videos for you guys, but like I said, the car's been broken. I've been spending all my money fixing it, so I haven't had money to put to videos. So what I want to do next is I want to get rid of these paddle shifters and replace them with, oh man, my car's gonna be dirty from driving through this. Replace it with, what was I saying? With metal paddle shifters. So I saw these Nelson Racing ones online. They look real good. Want to give them a try. And yeah, so if you guys have replaced your paddle shifters, also let me know about that. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update, let you know what was going on, why I haven't been making videos. I haven't even got my review about the sway bar out yet, and I'll go ahead and say right here about that. There's really nothing to it. I mean, it is a little something. There is something to it, but it's not a huge, it's not a huge improvement, but it is there and it is noticeable. So I'll go into more detail about that in the next video, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Also, hit that like, hit that subscribe, because it really helps me out, and it'll make me be able to bring more better content with more mods, as opposed to griping about how unreliable my car is. So yeah, with that in mind, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.